Welcome back, and here's Renardo Brown with the Midday Sports Roundup.
West Indies Test coach Andre Kohli says he's not looking too far ahead as a good performance against Pakistan in their two-test series, which starts on Thursday in Moulton, is priority. The Windies have not played a test in Pakistan since 2006 and have not won a test in that country since 1997. The Caribbean side has just 2 wins in their last 9 test matches, with their last series ending 1-1 with Bangladesh. However, Kohli says he has seen enough to believe that the Caribbean men can give a good account of themselves.
Well, as you said, we are in the current Test Championship. What we have said to the players, and we all in agreement, is that we want to take the learning from 2024. So the majority of the squad would have made a debut early in 2024. And we have had some good performances. We've had some disappointing ones. So as we start 2025, finishing off the current edition and look forward to the start of the next one, is really about taking the learning and the positives from the previous year, and then in a new environment for most of the players as well, is to be able to back themselves, trust the preparation, and keep learning quickly.
Thursday's game will bowl off at 11:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Coach of Jamaica's women's cricket team, Dennis Belay, is remaining hopeful that Captain Stefani Taylor will be available for the upcoming regional season, which starts next month. Taylor has not played since the ICC T20 World Cup semi-final against New Zealand on October 17 and missed the Windies tour of India in December because of injury. Windies coach Shane Dietz had revealed that the 33-year-old Jamaican underwent surgery for a foot injury and would be out for an extended period. Speaking to TVJ Sports, Belay gave an update on the all-rounder, who is back in training, and spoke to whether or not she will be available for the regional championships.
It's possible. We've been doing some work over the past few weeks. I think she's growing in strength, and we have about 4 more weeks. I think she'll be ready by then.
How important will she be to the team and being fit, even 80% of Stefani?
Once you have Stefani, you have a good team. I mean, she's a good player. She's been a good player, and she has a lot of experience. And what she does is bring a lot more to the table in terms of not just for herself, but for the team.
Yeah. Jamaica are defending champions for both the CWI Women's T20 Blaze and the 50-over competition. Finally, with Liverpool and Nottingham Forest drawing 1-1 on Tuesday, Arsenal will have an opportunity to move within 4 points of the leaders as they take on Tottenham Hotspur in one of 4 games in the English Premier League today. The North London derby at the Emirates Stadium is set to kick off at 3 p.m, with victory for Tottenham only good enough to take them 1 place up to 12th on the standing. Elsewhere at 2:30, Leon Bailey's Aston Villa team will take on Everton at Goodison Park. Leicester City are at home to Crystal Palace, while Wolverhampton Wanderers will travel to St James's Park for their game against Newcastle United. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again for join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.